If you have recently updated to Windows 11 version 24S2 with update KB5063878, also named as Corbel update, and you are running into problems like SSD slowdown, data corruption, random crashes, or system instability, don't worry. In this guide, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to fix it. You'll need to install the update. For that, launch your settings. Now at the left corner, you're going to find the option Home. Click on that. Then head over to the option Windows Update. Once you're over here, you're going to find different option. Navigate to the option Update History. Then scroll down, click on the option Uninstall Updates. Look for KB5063878 in the list. Once you find it, click on it. Then click Install. Confirm the action. Windows will take a few minutes and then restart your PC. Once the rollback is complete, the update will be removed. In my case, this instantly fixed the performance and stability issues. To stop Windows from reinstalling this automatically, what you want to do is head back, click on the option Windows Update, navigate to the option Pause Updates, click on this drop down and select Pause Updates for 2 to 3 weeks. This gives Microsoft time to patch the issue before you try again. And that's it. That's how you install Windows 11 24S2 KB5063878 and fix the issues it causes. This worked for me and it should help you too. If it did, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and let me know in the comments if you were also hit by the Corbel update.